What's up guys? Good morning. For today's video ay mag-unboxing po tayo ng ating order galing sa Lazada. So kung bago kayo sa aming channel guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And pakipindot na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod natin mga videos. Kasama pala natin si Francine para sa ating unboxing. So ang i-unbox natin guys ay 3-in-1 wireless Bluetooth, selfie stick, tripod, and phone holder. Okay, guys. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Tara na.
A few moments later.
So, welcome back guys sa aming channel. So, umpisahan na natin ang ating unboxing. Sama natin si Francine. So, unang-una, i-spray muna natin. Yan guys. Okay. So, open muna, Francine. Ang ating order galing sa Lazada. Ayan guys, ino-open na ni Francine ang ating order. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, pakita mo Francine. Ayan, pakita mo. Ayan, yung harap niya, pakita mo rin yung ayan. So, spray natin guys para mag-disinfect siya.
Wow.
So, yan. Okay, unbox muna Francine. Unbox muna. So, yan. Open na Francine guys. Ang ating order galing from Lazada. So, ito guys, meron tayong ang kanyang paperworks. Yan guys.
Let's open.
Okay. Ayan guys, kita mo Francine ang ating phone holder, tripod, and selfie stick. Ayan, spray natin para ma-disinfect siya guys.
Paano ba ito?
Ayan. Kita mo Francine? Ayan. Okay. Ayan guys.
Oh my God! Wow!
So yan guys, open na ni Francine. Papakita niya sa atin kung paano i-open ang ating selfie stick, tripod at saka phone holder. So yan guys, open mo na Francine. Ayan, in-open na ni Francine guys. Ayan. Ayan, yan ang ating selfie stick. Saka ang ating tripod. Ayan guys. Yan ang kabuuan niya. So, try rin natin lagay ang ating cellphone para makita natin. Ayan guys, yan. Pwede na natin ibaba. Yan. Guys, so makita rin natin yung remote niya. Nasaan yung remote niya? At try din natin mag-selfie.
Let's go.
Yan guys, try natin selfie.
Nakakaroon mo ba dito?
Try natin mag-selfie guys.
Okay, shop din mag-open din.
Ayan, try natin mag-selfie ni
Wait! Ano?
Francine. Gumagana ang kanyang remote guys.
Baliktad,
Harap ka ni Kuya.
Ayan.
Wait! Shopon.
No.
So yan guys, try natin mag-selfie. So yan, pindutin na natin ang kanyang remote, Bluetooth. So yan. Okay, isa pa. Okay yan guys. Gana ang kanyang selfie.
2 hours later. Go.
So, welcome back guys sa aming channel. So, Babasahin natin ang specifications ng ating selfie stick tripod. So, ito. Sinasabi dito, main material, stainless steel. Kita mo, Francine? Yan. Stainless steel. Mount holder, 2.6, 4.0 inches. Retracted length with 7.64 inches. Extended length 27.6 inches. Product size 39 by 35.5 by 193 millimeters. Battery CR1632 replaceable. So compatible din siya guys for iOS and Android. So, sabi dito, reminder, the wireless selfie stick tripod uses remote control to take photos
Tayo, remote.
instead of clicking on your cellphone camera. So, yun guys, ang sinasabi dito. So, wala nang ibang pan dito guys. Ito, sabi dito, compact and lightweight sizes makes it easy to carry. Highly secure, lightweight, stainless steel pole. Extendable up to 6 stages with fully adjustable extension. Camera angle adjust up to 245 degrees for versatility. Adjustable clamp extended from 2.9 inch to 4.0 inches. Designed to take better selfies with a touch of a button. So, dito guys, how to use. Long press the remote button to power on. LED indicator will blink. Search and pair with BT name SelfieCom on your cell phone. LED indicator will stop flashing after successfully connected. Use the remote control to capture pictures. LED flash once at a time. The remote control will automatically shut down in 5 minutes if not paired. The remote control will automatically sleep in 10 minutes without any operation and auto shut down after another 10 minutes if not awakened. Long press the remote button to power off. LED indicator flashes 3 times then shut down. So, yan guys, ang instruction ng ating tripod selfie stick. So, thank you.
Paano masabi?
So, yan lang guys. Thank you so much for watching our videos for today. So, kung bago sa aming channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And pakipindot na rin ang ating notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod natin mga videos. So, thank you so much guys. Magpaalam po na person.
Bye!
Bye!
2,000 years later.
Forever! Forever! Forever!
One eternity later.